What is going on, Shiba Army? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Bone Shibaswap token, as well as talk about some of the updates that is happening right now on Shibarium. Guys, it's been a long day, and this is why you guys are receiving this video pretty late. Right before I go to bed, so your boy is extremely tired, but I am pushing forward just to be able to make this content out to you guys, so that way I could let you guys know, especially when exciting news is being presented right before us. So before I dive too deeply into this video, do me a huge favor, guys, by hitting the like button, hitting that subscribe button, and I definitely love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Bone. Now, Bone currently right now is seeing a pullback. Bitcoin is also seeing a pullback as well. So if we take a look at just the hourly, you're seeing, oh, here's we're right here, seeing these candles just constantly we just got this nice dump. But the thing is, that really doesn't matter, because especially if you're looking at it from a bigger time frame. So we're looking at it on the weekly time frame. So what I'm looking at is what happened prior week. So with this green candle right here getting above the 69 level, and it closed above the 69, that's actually a very bullish indicator as far as potential upside. So we still have a whole nother few days for Bitcoin to get back above this 69. So for the people they're selling, they're scared or something like that, then they're more likely going to get shaken out, because this could end up just becoming a wick. It could be like as long as a wick like this, as price continue to go higher. But again, positive indicator is last week's green candle getting above this 69 level. So we're going to continue to watch this closely throughout the week to see where Bitcoin is at, because once this start to pop and start going up, like I keep mentioning to you guys, that should be the signal that, hey, we are officially in the bull run. Now we're seeing meme coins, we're seeing other tokens just flying, going crazy, which is this is not the usual. It's not the usual. So it happening does not signify like, hey, we're actually in a bull market, because they're going to actually send a lot harder, in my opinion, because this right here is already showing us that we are and probably going to be one of the biggest bull runs ever, because of the stuff that's happening that never happened before, and they're happening on a frequent basis, because a lot of tokens that you're seeing now, they're going from a $10 million market cap all the way to 200 or $300 million market cap. So this cycle right here, guys, is gonna be huge. So for the assets that I have, like Bone, that I'm holding on to, they're gonna be able to pop, especially with how people are just hodling like crazy. Especially on assets that's going up. Now we are seeing some people are leaving, because I even saw the wallet holder count started decreasing on Bone, which is fine. Again, the best has yet to come, and I'm here just to be a constant reminder of that. The best is yet to come. But on to the positive news. Big shout out again, guys. It seemed like every time I talk about Shibarium, you got to mention Buzz name as well too. So it's Buzz and it seemed. Now I always say Buzz because that's Buzz. That's who I know. So no disrespect to the other people that's helping Buzz. Because I don't know you guys' name, and I don't know as far as like all the team members, but the whole Knine squad, guys, they are doing a phenomenal job. So with the recent news that's happening right now is that Knine just got a two for one. They got a listing on Wix, and with the listing, they also were able to get them to do a Shibarium integration, guys, which is super bullish. Meaning, if you are on their exchange, guess what? You're able to get your Bone, your Shiba. Well, let me not confirm Shiba, but you're able to get your Bone to be able to withdraw and deposit it directly from Shibarium. Now, with the this exchange, I think 95% of the users are from South Asia. If I'm not mistaken. But the reason why this is huge is because the Asian markets is projected to be opening up this year. So already having an integration like that could mean potential, big Asian whales coming into the mix and being able to move the needles right here on Shibarium. So this is super bullish news that I don't think a lot of people are looking at. And big shout out again to Knine. Yeah, because they just got listed on an Asian based exchange. So that's again huge news right there. And they talk about it right here. Knine listed on Asian base Wix official. Wix will integrate the Shibarium network chain due to our partnership. So huge news. Now, a part of this news, you also have Atomic Wallet, guys. So Atomic Wallet now, they have 5 million users. So with Shibarium, you're able to now be able to use their wallet to be able to swap, your Bone to USDT. So there's so much stuff now that you're going to be able to do due to the fact with this integration as well too. So the pieces is getting put together, especially for Shibarium right now. And like I mentioned before, guys, next month starts Q3, so this is really when things are starting to move. And right now I think we're just seeing a free look or a prequel to what is to come in these next 2 quarters that's coming, Q3 and Q4. Another thing too, well, I already talked about this. No, another thing that I thought was pretty interesting was Lucy Sheeb. She teased as far as about the metaverse. One of the things that she had stated was like, I'm paraphrasing, of course, something to the effect of when it's, silence is good, that means people are cooking something in the background. Again, she didn't say it fully like that, but that's the way I interpret it in my head. So, but I think that's really cool because, again, this is going in line with what I was talking about Q4, because from, I guess, beginning of the year, they said that everything should be out by the end of this year. So hopefully that happens. So far, things are progressing. We got the Shibaswap 1.75. Hopefully we'll be able to see the Shibaswap 2.0 for next quarter. Yeah, so things are looking up. It's looking up. And of course, I gave Buzz a shout out right here, man. Very cool dude. Yeah, so last thing that I wanted to just talk to you guys about, and this is really just tokens that's setting to be on Shibarium. That's going to have nice impact on Shibarium. Like Knine Finance, that's going to be one, no shadow of a doubt, because based upon the utility that is bringing to Shibarium. So right now, people are fading. Perfect opportunity, not financial advice, of course, to be able to get in at an incredible level because you're nearly getting in at launch price, which is definitely not bad at all. Due to the fact that over the last few months, we've just been seeing a sell-off, but now we're seeing these nice little consolidations right here on Knine, to be able to at least establish a position. Now another project that's just going absolutely crazy is Kendu Inu. Now this project, guys, getting on Shibarium as well, I believe, but if I switch it over to market cap, this thing at one point in time, if we zoom out, this thing at one point in time was at like a $41,000 market cap. And all of a sudden, guys, not all of a sudden, but like through the process of time, it just kept grinding. It kept staying around, then breaking out, then boom, currently right now it's at a $230 million market cap. So it is doing well. It could be one of the very first projects on Shibarium to reach $1 billion. It's definitely close. It's at 230 million market cap. So just being able to see some type of association with a project like that, that wants to get onto Shibarium, it is gonna definitely put a good spotlight on Shibarium, especially once everything is in place. But really, guys, that is all the updates that I have for you. I know you guys probably could tell, like, as far as me slurring on my words, your boy's super tired, but I said I was going to go ahead and make a video today. So I wanted to be a man of my word and just to be able to keep that promise. But let me know in the comment down below your thoughts, your opinion about all this. Random Arts guys signing off. Peace.